morning students. The continuation of same fifth lesson molecular genetics. Today topic genetic code. DNA is the genetic material that carries the genetic information in a cell and from generation to generation. So DNA already we are all to know about DNA is the genetic material. So that DNA only carries the genetic information in the cell, in all kinds of cells, and from generation to generation, one generation to another generation, the DNA it carry the genetic information. At this stage, the genetic information exists in DNA molecule which are written in coded language on a DNA molecule. So at the correct stage, the genetic information exists in the DNA molecule. All genetic information is there in only DNA molecule which are written in the coded language. It is in the coded form on the DNA molecule. So what is the meaning for coded form? So next, the translation of protein follows the triplet rule. A sequence of 3 mRNA base designates one of the 20 different kinds of amino acids. So the translation of protein. So translation, protein synthesis, how the translation is occur from the mRNA to protein, the translation follows the triplet rule. So what is the meaning for triplet rule? So that is the codon. Nucleotide in the 3 bases are there, 3 uracil. So that is a 3 bases in the nucleotide, that is called as codon. So that triplet rule, a sequence of 3 mRNA, 3 means that is a triple U, 3 mRNA bases. That 3U is called as codon. That codon have the 3 bases, that is a uracil. So that is called as triplet. Designates the 20 different kinds of amino acids. Not only the one, that codon, it codes for one amino acids. Like that, they have designated the different 20 amino acids. Genetic code is the sequence of relationship between nucleotide and genes, that is mRNA, and the amino acid in the protein. So what is genetic code? It is a sequence relationship between nucleotide in genes, that is particular in mRNA, messenger RNA, and the amino acids in the protein. So between the nucleotide and the amino acids, they have the sequence relationship, that is called as the genetic code. There are 64 possible triplet. So in the genetic code, how many triplet are there? 64 possible triplet are there. Among the 64 triplet, 61 represents the amino acids, whereas remaining 3 triplet codon are termination signals for polypeptide chain. So total 64 triplet codon is there. So among that 61 are named as, so all the 61 codons are represents the one of the amino acid. Among the 20 different amino acids, they have to named as, whereas remaining 3 triplet codon are called as termination, that is a N signals, or otherwise is called as stop codon for polypeptide chain. 20 amino acids. So that amino acid we have to divide it into 2 kinds of amino acids, essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids. So essential amino acid is there, only 20 amino acids are called as essential amino acids. That amino acids are not synthesized from the body, so it is taken through the food only. So only 20 amino acids are called as essential amino acids. That amino acids involved, these 20 amino acids is involved in the protein synthesis. Okay, so most of them encoded by more than one triplet. Among the 20 amino acids, most of the amino acids are encoded than one triplet. One triplet means that is UUA, that is a one triplet. So more than one codon is there in the particular amino acid. Then for example, the UUA, that is a one codon or one triplet. Another one UUG, that is a second triplet. Another one CUU. So that is a three different kinds of codon is there. These three codon, different codon, it mentions the only one amino acid, that is called as leucine. Okay, so now we have to understand most of them is encoded by more than one triplet. For example, so three codon is there in the one amino acid, that is named as leucine. Next, two things is makes this multiple coding possible. Two things is made possible. So what is the one is more than one tRNA. So tRNA is a transfer RNA. I have the tRNA, it have the anticodon. Okay, so that is the codon is UUA. So that codon anticodon is there in the tRNA. So more than one tRNA for most amino acid. Each tRNA has a different anticodon. So more than one tRNA for one amino acid is have the more than one tRNA, but each tRNA is have different anticodon. Anticodon also it has the differently anticodon is present in the amino acid. Second thing is this pairing is highly specific for the two position on the codon. So how the two position in codon? So that codon is called as Watson and Crick base pairs. So Watson and Crick base pair means in DNA they have the 4 base is there. So that is called as nucleotide. One nucleotide, for example DNA, adenine, that is called as genetic code. Look at the picture, genetic code, that is a nucleotide. 4 bases is there in the one nucleotide, that is DNA, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So these are the bases is there in the one nucleotide. Now two position on the codon permitting Watson and Crick base pair. So that means adenine is bound with the uracil and guanine is paired with the cytosine. That pairing is called Watson and Crick base pair. What is Watson and Crick base pair? The 4 bases are paired. Only adenine it pair with the uracil and guanine it pair with the cytosine. This base pair is called as Watson and Crick base pairs. Okay, next. So that is genetic code dictionary. Okay, so what is genetic code? Already we all know genetic code dictionary. How the genetic code is occur? So already 64 possible triplet codon is present in the DNA. Okay, so how the that dictionary is written? So first of all we are about know that UUU, that is a one codon, one triplet codon. How the UU is occur, triple U is occur. So first of all you have to put the one of the checkerboard, like in the botany checkerboard, monohybrid, dihybrid grasses are written the same like that. Only this genetic code dictionary also is there. So in that left side you have to leave the bay, that is the first nucleotide in codon. It is start with the 5-N. Always the thing is written only 5-2, last one 3-N. So among the 3 letter, first letter, that is first nucleotide in the codon, it is in the 5-N. So next you have to divide the 4 column. In that first you have to write in the 4 bases in the order. So first one uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. The same thing is written in the here also. Uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Okay, so 4 column, 4 letters. And third one, that is the third nucleotide, that is the first nucleotide in the codon, that is second nucleotide in the codon. In the right side, third nucleotide in the codon. The end is 3-N. But in the one column, you have to written the 4 letter, that is U, C, A, G, that is one column. Next second one, U, C, A, G, another one, the same letter U, C, A, G, last also uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. In that way you have to written first. Okay, so how to write in that column, first column. Okay, first letter nucleotide uracil, second one uracil, U, and the first one is the uracil. So triple U, that is right in the phenyl, that denote the amino acid phenylalanine. Letter is F, amino acid name phenylalanine. Okay, second U, that is the second one C. Look, C, that is also F, amino acid phenylalanine. Come to the next one, U and A. A, leucine. The letter is L, leucine. Okay, last one, U and G. U and G, leucine, L, leucine. Okay, so in that way only you have to write. So next second one, U, C, then U, C, U. Yes, serine, serine. Then same thing, U, C, C, UCC. Okay, like that only the second one also. Third one, U, A, U, A, U, Y, tyrosine. Okay, U, A, C, last one இருக்கிற second letter C. இப்போ மூணு லெட்டரும் சேர்ந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா UAC, it denotes for Y, tyrosine, that is the amino acid name. Now UAA, termination இங்கே ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கலரில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் termination? இந்த ஜெனட்டிக் கோடில் 1, 2, 3 termination is there. So already I told 64 possible triplet codon. Among that 61 are denotes in the 64 possible codon is there. Among that 61 is represents 64 possible triplets, 61 represents amino acids, remaining 3 codon or termination codon. So that only is noted in the genetic code dictionary. Okay, so now to the second one, C. Okay, so first nucleotide is a C, second nucleotide is a C, third one is U. So C, second, C and U. C, first, second column C, the same here, second column C, the same one is C, U. Okay, so these three CCU is a P proline, that is called as one amino acid. Okay, the same thing always is going on in that way. Okay, so that is a third row, A, first class U, so here first class U. Okay, A, U, that is isoleucine. Like that only, A, U, C. Okay, here last one, A, U, G. That A, U, G met denote the letter M, methionine. So that is only one exception. Among the 20 amino acids, that codon alone, in the codon AUG, that is called as methionine amino acids. Okay, AUG, one of the only one codon, it represents only one amino acids in that 64 triplet codon. Okay, so in that way only the dictionary, genetic code dictionary is there. Okay, another one you have to note it here. Already I told how many amino acids is there. 20 there are 20 different amino acids is there. Okay, so in the genetic code dictionary 20 amino acids is there. So we have to count one by one. Okay, wow. So first one, phenylalanine is a 1, leucine here, and next also leucine is a second amino acid, Isoleucine is the third amino acid. Methionine is the fourth amino acid. Valine is the fifth amino acid. Serine is the sixth amino acid. Proline is 7. Threonine is 8. Alanine is 9. Tyrosine is 10. Okay, termination calculate பண்ணக்கூடாது 10. Next, histidine is 11. Glutamine is 12. Asparagine is 13. Lysine 14. Aspartic acid 15th amino acid. Glutamic acid 16. Cysteine, that is a 16th amino acid. Tryptophan is a 17. Arginine, here 4 arginine, here also 2 arginine. So arginine is a 18. Serine is 19 and glycine is 20. Okay, so that is a 20 amino acids is there. Okay, wow. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, that is 19. Serine also already வந்துருச்சு, நான் first தப்பா சொல்லிட்டேன். Serine, okay, that is arginine 19 and glycine is 20. So total 20 amino acid is there. So 61 codon, it represents 20 amino acids. Remaining UAA, UAG, UGA, that is the termination codon. அப்படினா என்னன்னா N codon, ஒரு process protein synthesis end ஆகுது அப்படினா இந்த codon வந்து இருக்கும். So that is a end codon. Okay, so understand ஆயிடுச்சா? That is a first nucleotide, ஒரு codonல that is a triple U is a one codon. அதில் first nucleotide leftல இருக்கணும், அந்த topல இருக்கிறது second nucleotide, that is a second positionல இருக்கிற nucleotide topல. அதே மாதிரி right sideல இருக்கிறது third. Okay, third base வந்து right sideல இருக்கு. இந்த மூணையும் multiple பண்ணி தான் 1 2 3 அந்த மூணையும் தான் போட்டோம். அதுதான் என்ன பண்ணுது, phenylalanine denote பண்ணுது. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே எக்ஸாம்பிள் எடுத்துக்கலாமா? இங்கே ஃபஸ்ட்டு பேஸ் வந்து ஏ, இங்கே மல்டிபிள் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா சி, செகண்ட் ஒன்று, இந்த இங்கே வாங்க ஏ சி, அதே இதில் இங்கே இருக்கிறது யூ தேர்டு. ஸோ ஏசியூ, இது வந்து டி லெட்டர், ஃபஸ்ட்டு லெட்டர் அமினோ ஆசிடில் 309. ஸோ in that way only you have to write the genetic code dictionary. Okay, the order of base pair, நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன்ல base pair, it is that is adenine, uracil, அதெல்லாம் base pair. The order of base pair along DNA ஓட சேர்ந்த that base pair, that 4 bases, adenine, uracil, guanine and cytosine molecule controls. These 4 base pair along DNA molecule controls order of amino acid. That only control the order of amino acids is found in the protein. இதில் ஒரு ஆர்கானிசத்தில் இருக்கிற ப்ரோட்டீனில் that amino acids is found. In the amino acid, that order of along the DNA molecule is control order amino acids found in the protein of the organism. This specific order base pair is called as genetic code. இந்த specific order தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், base pair. The order வந்து base pair, that base pair தான் called as genetic code. Okay, so that is a 4 bases தான். The genetic code nothing but now 4 bases in the nucleotide, it represents the one triplet codon. That one triplet codon, it denotes the one amino acid, that is called as genetic code. Okay, so other than என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், that is a coding language ன்னு சொல்றோம். எதை, that triple U or AUG, that is a coding language. That coding language is called as genetic code. Okay, Marcel Nirenberg, Severo Ochoa, Harhobin Corona, Francis Crick and many others have contributed the genetic code. So many other scientists also give the effort towards the genetic code. The order in which bases are arranged in mRNA. decide to order in which amino acids are arranged in the protein. The order of bases, the four bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Okay, cytosine, uracil. That order bases are arranged in mRNA. That bases how the is occur or arranges in the mRNA. That arrangement of the base pair in the mRNA only decide எதை decide பண்ணுது order in which amino acids are arranged in the protein. அந்த இது என்ன பண்ணுது amino acids arranged in the protein, arrangement of amino acids in the protein. The bases arranged in the mRNA, எப்படி bases வந்து mRNA ல arrange பண்ணியிருக்கோ அந்த mRNA தான் decided the order of amino acids are arranged in the proteins. Okay. Thank you.